How to fix a Snapchat Buddy Pass not eligible. You must first ensure that your friend does not have an active Snapchat Plus subscription. If they previously had a subscription or used a free trial very recently, Snapchat system may flag them as ineligible until a cooling off period clears, and you must not have outdated app version. Both you and your friend must update Snapchat via the Apple app or Google Play Store. The Buddy Pass system will fail to process if either user is on an older app build. For that, simply search for Snapchat on the Play Store and tap on it. And if you see an update icon right over here, simply make sure to tap on it. If it shows open, that means you are already up to date. And to never miss an update, simply tap on the vertical columns and simply enable auto update. Make sure you toggle this on. And finally, also make sure that you all live in a region where Buddy Pass is not restricted, because Buddy Passes are actively rolling out but are not yet available in all countries or regions. If your friend lives in a country where the feature has not launched, they will appear as ineligible. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.